Hello everyone. Today I'm mixing it up with Gigi. I'm going to be making chicken enchiladas. I haven't made this in a while, but I remember making it for my kids when they were growing up. And I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm going to go ahead and make it. And it shouldn't take no more than maybe 30 minutes at the most. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven at 420. And then I bought a store-bought chicken. I bought a Sardines chicken. The kids love that, so instead of boiling my own chicken breast, I just go ahead and bought that, so it can be quick. So the other ingredients are going to be, I have also 20 flour tortillas, 4 cups of blended Mexican 4 cheese, 1 onion diced, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 small can of black beans, 1 small can of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoonfuls of oil to saute my onions, 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder, green onions for garnish, 2 cups of spinach, and you can also use sour cream if you so desire. Those are the ingredients. And I'm also, if you can hear water running right now, it's coming from my tower garden. They're watering themselves. And I'm also going to make a big Caesar salad from my tower garden. It's overpowering. I'm eating 1 salad every day, sometimes 2 times a day I'm eating salads. But I'm giving away to my neighbors. So today I'm going to pick a big bunch and I'm taking some to making a big Caesar salad and taking it to the kids. So let's get started, okay? Let's get started. Alright, so my camera again was not on. What I did, I go ahead and wilt my spinach down, and I also add a little bit of garlic powder, 1 teaspoonful of oil, and it is now completed. So I'm going to move it off the stove. And I also have my onion in the pot, and this does not require a lot of cooking. I'm not going to reduce it too much. I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic to it. Yes, and now in a few more minutes, maybe another second or so, this will be completed. Like I said, I don't want it to cook down too much. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Oh my gosh, the aroma is amazing. Add my chicken, and then I'm going to put a little bit more garlic powder just to wake up the flavor in the chicken. And this is just kind of warming up the chicken. That's all. It's already cooked, so I'm just warming this up. Soften it because I shredded it last night to make it a little easy for me today. Okay, so all you want to do is warm it up in this onion and garlic. And if anybody had a Sardines chicken, they know how delicious these chicken are. So add in a little bit more onion and garlic to it. It's fire! Alright, and now reducing the heat, turning off the stove completely. And then I'm going to set up an assembly line for my enchiladas, okay? Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray my baking pan with coconut oil. In a minute, let me show it to you real good. Coconut oil spray. Oops, sorry. So they won't stick. Line them up. I know I'm going to need about 2 pans for the 20, so I'm just spraying 2 pans. Okay, so the next thing I've done, I've lined my countertop with some parchment paper, and I'm just going to line up, see how many I can do at a time. I'm going to line up, let's see how many will fit. My counter space is not that big, so we shall see how many I can do at a time. So it will go by fast. There's 20 of them, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So I can do 8 at a time, okay? Alright, let me put my camera to the side so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to need a spoon for that sauce, and I'm going to need one for the spinach, need one for that, and one for the chicken. Alright. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is use a little bit of sauce. Just line it up, pour little sauce, right, like so. And all of them. Not a lot of sauce, just a little bit. Line up all of them like that. I'm going to show you a few, and then some of the tortillas are a little bit bigger than others, so they have different sizes. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of the tomato, diced tomatoes, just a tad bit. Remember, got to roll them, and you have black beans and a lot of stuff coming in. And this diced tomato have a little bit of a hint of chili. There go my tower garden taking a bath again, watering themselves. Just a tad bit, and some of them I'm going to do without tomato because we have some picky kids as well. Now I'm going in with a little bit of the black bean. I had to call my son to find out if all the kids eat black beans because they're so picky. He said they'll be alright, so I'm putting some black beans in there. I'm going to eliminate some of them though. Oh, I missed putting the like I said, I'm going to do a few without the tomato because my daughter-in-law does not like tomatoes. So I'm going to do a few without that so she can enjoy them as well. Don't want to overfill these things because they're tiny, they're small, so we don't want to overfill them. and then have them popping out. Okay, now have some spinach, and I might have to use my hand to spread this spinach out. That's a little bit of everything, a little spinach. You gotta give these kids veggies every chance you get, because they need 7 to 13 servings of fruits and veggies in a given day for up health, and so I'm trying my best to get it in them any way I can. And I know there's some struggling moms out there. You gotta hide it in things that they love. Now for the chicken. My counter space is so small. Making room for this chicken, and it's a little hot, so bear with me. It's coming. Okay, now I need a fork. Now for the chicken, same thing. I'm gonna have to spread it with use my hand to help spread it out. And also, whatever chicken is left over, you can just sprinkle that on top of the enchiladas. They're going to scoop it all up and eat it. So, no worries if you can't put enough chicken inside. No worries. Scoop it up and spread it on top. This one is, there's always one acting out, okay? Not trying to do what it needs to do. And the chicken are shredded in different sizes, so they can get a nice bite here and there. My daughter-in-law likes chicken breast, so I'm gonna make a few for her, a little bit different. All right, so now let's get the cheese. Small serving of cheese as well. Hopefully these will be able to wrap. I should have bought bigger tortilla, bigger ones. Take a look at this wonder. And I know, for all the moms, working moms out there, come home in the evening, it's a lot. It's a lot to do. And to get meal on the table real quickly for these kids when everybody's tired and hungry, it's not easy. So now we're gonna roll it and start from where it is, and see, look at that, it's all done. I'm gonna place them in the pan as I roll them, and then I can start with another one. Start from the part where you have all the stuff neat and nice, and then I'm just tossing them in the pan as I roll them. Okay guys, so the assembly line is finished. I have 20, 10 in each pan, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to top it off with the rest of this juice we have here, the enchilada sauce, and I'm using the mild one. So let's go ahead and bake these bad boys. And again, it's no right or wrong way to do it. Just cover them in sauce. Don't want to finish the sauce and not having enough for this pan. And I see I need to open another can of sauce. Give me a minute. Alright guys, so I'm done with this sauce and I have some chicken left over, so I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle the rest of this chicken on top of the enchiladas. Because I don't eat chicken, so there's no sense keeping it to do anything else. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle it mainly on this pan, and the reason is my daughter-in-law, I have to put a toothpick in hers because she only eats the chicken breast, so I have to be careful. And she will sit there like a child and pick every last one of them. So I'm carefully sprinkling the chicken, rest of the chicken breast, the chicken over that, and now for the good part, the cheese. Again, you put whatever amount of cheese you want to put on it. You know your family, and everybody loves cheese, so just go right ahead and have fun with the cheese. And I have to get some more cheese because my cheese is not enough in this one. One sec. Alright, so let's go in with a little bit more cheese. And then we're going to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember, everything is cooked already inside of them, so you're just melting down these cheese and getting everything nice and gooey. Okay? So now I'm just going to stick those in the oven, and I'll be back in about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 25 minutes now since my enchiladas were in the oven, and I just took them out, and this is what they look like. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Now if you look closely, you will see that I have toothpick on a couple of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 that I have toothpicks on have only chicken breast and no tomato. Those are for my daughter, picky daughter-in-law who does not eat who does not eat like tomatoes. So I made them special for her. The things you do for the ones you love, right? Alright, so this is it for my chicken enchiladas, guys. Guys, I can't taste them for you because of course I don't eat meat, so you can just take a look at them. They're very crispy to the touch. There they go, very crispy on top, and of course they're very cheesy. Let me hear that. Hear that? So they have the crispy going on. They're very crispy on top, and of course I did put the the leftover chicken on top as well. So they're loaded chicken enchiladas. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, please. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by, and give me a thumbs up, some stars, whatever you can do to let me know how you like these videos if you try it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.